First time we are seeing all 6 officers accused in the Baltimore courtroom regarding the Freddie Gray case.
Yeah, all facing charges in the death of Freddie Gray. Let's go downtown right now to ABC 2 News' Brian Kubler with a busy day before a judge. Brian.
Yeah, Jamie, for the very first time since all these pretrial motions started, all 6 of these officers that are charged were sitting next to each other, shoulder to shoulder, in just one pew. Today, invested in the arguments of what they said back in April and how they may be used against them. Of the 6 officers standing trial in the death of Freddie Gray, 5 gave statements to Baltimore police investigators before they were officially charged. Van driver Cesar Goodson was the lone holdout. The defense of the remaining defendants want their clients' statements suppressed. 3 of those will be argued at a later date, but this morning, Judge Barry Williams heard the case of Sergeant Alicia White. While her defense argued she gave those statements thinking she was merely a witness in this case and not knowing she would be charged, Judge Williams ruled what she said can be used in the case against her.
At the end of the day, Judge Williams determined that the state met its burden, that these statements were given voluntarily, free of any coercion or duress.
But Warren Alperstein, a former city assistant state's attorney who's been following the case, reminds us we don't know what those statements are. The state played a mere clip of White's videotape statement in court, but only to show her waiving her rights to remain silent. Why the state feels her statement is so valuable in this case and why her defense wanted it thrown out, we'll just have to wait to be answered at trial.
Anytime statements are made that are perceived to be troublesome to them, you want to exclude them. And so, what are the odds, look, going into this that the statements would have been, suppressed? Who knows? Because, again, we don't know what the statement is.
Now, in addition to White's statement this afternoon, Judge Barry Williams also ruled that the statements made by Officer William Porter back in April are also now admissible. He is the first to stand trial in all of this, coming up on November 30th. Meanwhile, the judge scheduled 2 days for motions here at downtown Baltimore. They won't need that second day. But before he adjourned this round of motions, he did issue a gag order for everybody involved in this case. Reporting live in downtown Baltimore this evening, Brian Kubler, ABC 2 News.
All right, thanks a lot, Brian. For all the latest on the Freddie Gray case, just head to our website, abc2news.com/Freddie Gray. There you can find all the latest updates.